This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look at the daily chart of the gold market. Well guys, in the recent couple of weeks we see the bounce up from the support area, particularly speaking, that was not just the pure support but mostly the minor target on the weekly chart. So here you do not see the reason why market is showing this bounce to the upside. You see only how market has approached to this area by this butterfly that is just has confirmed the reversal, the possible bounce from this area, from around 1235, 1236 area. But in reality, guys, this is also the 618 extension of the ABCD pattern on the weekly chart. So that is the BC leg of this pattern, that is the CD leg, and here we have the minor extension, so 618 extension. So that retracement up is absolutely reasonable, and in fact, it's and in logic and just can't raise any suspicious and any questions. Now the major task is where market could stop from this retracement, where it could finish, and what will happen with the bearish sentiment that we have discussed, with the bearish patterns on the monthly chart and so on. Well guys, not much time ago the turmoil around the Ukraine has become less, and as soon as the elections has happened in the Ukraine, the tensions and some around this situation it's housed a bit, and market has calmed a bit and has shown this move to the downside. But right now we stand at the eve of the maybe other turmoil that was started in the Iraq, and as soon as the United States Army will take the part in a struggle against the terrorists in Iraq, so that really could become another reason that could support gold market in the nearest future in the short-term perspective, and maybe it could let market to reach some more extended levels. From this first glance, as you can see, maybe this level is really significant and solid, and probably we could say that this already is too much for retracement. This market probably should start move down if it really bearish and it really keeps the bearish sentiment. But it's not quite so, because take a look that this is 1298, 13 even area is just the 3.8 resistance of the whole move down, and that is just the 3.8 resistance of the recent leg on the ABCD pattern. So that retracement is absolutely acceptable from the point of view of the reaching 618 target, minor target. It's absolutely normal retracement, 3.8 retracement after hitting just the minor target. And this level will be really the crucial area for the bearish sentiment by many reasons. First is because this is minor target and it should show the minor retracement. Too significant retracement to the upside will be suspicious. Second, that is really strong resistance. This is Confluence Resistance daily overbought, and take a look, that's the monthly pivot resistance 1. And we know that if pivot resistance 1 holds the retracement, it confirms that the bearish trend is still intact. But once market move above the pivot resistance 1, it tells us that probably the former bearish trend is broken now, and the market could show more significant action to the upside. That's why this level will be very significant in the nearest perspective, in the short-term perspective. But reaching of this level until market stands below it, it's absolutely normal, and It's nothing curious in this action. It's not too much retracement to this area for the current environment. It's normal. That's why in the nearest future we will be watching for upward action. I don't know will we get the chance to take the part in this possible upward action, because it's not quite stand in the direction of our major analysis, because our major point is that market is bearish, and we think that market really could continue to move lower, especially due to the patterns that have been formed on the higher time frame chart, on the monthly chart, and they are still valid. That's why from this standpoint we are mostly interested with the searching possibility to take the short position rather than take part in long trading. But if we will get some clearer patterns, maybe scalp patterns, we probably will do this. Why not? Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart we also see that market has reached very significant area. That is the former consolidation. Actually, guys, this small looks as a triangle here, but currently market has reached this point. Okay, and this point is the former low on the daily chart. That point is 1st of April. This is former low, and market has reached it. So I can't exclude that market probably could show some minor bounce to the downside. And later we will see whether it will be A, B, C, D pattern or market just turn to the downside. But taking into consideration this recent action that was really not very bad and it's really active, and taking into consideration some turmoil in Iraq, hardly market will turn to the downside right here. The chances on the bit upward of some upward continuation is really significant. That's why currently I have intention to treat possible bounce down just as a retracement, not just as the downward continuation, because in the current situation that we have now, market probably has a chance to show some compounding ABCD action or something of that sort. Right now market has not formed any reversal patterns here, and we do not know whether this bounce down could start and what pattern could trigger this retracement down. But don't be deceived by the moment that market right now stands slightly higher than this Confluence Resistance. It not necessarily means that this retracement, this level has been broken already. It's not necessary, because this action to the upside could be just an attempt to retest the broken lows on the daily chart. As soon as market has done this, some pattern could be formed here and market could turn to the downside. If this will really happen, then we should watch for a couple of levels. That's the hourly chart. Here, guys, maybe market will form butterfly sell, or head and shoulders could be formed here or something of that sort. I do not know what it will be, but the chances exist that market will form here and some reversal, short-term reversal pattern, maybe even will show some retracement down. Personally, guys, I like two levels. The first one is here, it's weekly pivot point, and 1268, the FIB support. And the second level is more significant. It includes the Confluence support 1262 to 1263, and also stands very close to the weekly pivot support one. So if market will break through the weekly pivot point, it could reach the weekly pivot support one. And if it will hold, if pivot support one will hold this retracement, it will confirm that the upward short-term trend is still valid, and market could reestablish move to the upside, to the next target. That will be, guys, by the way, A, B, C, D possible pattern on the daily chart. So that's the action that we will be watching for. So if we will get some clear pattern in this area, why not? We could try to take the short position, scalp short position. The major point here is just to control the risk, because that will be probably against the long-term trend. So confirm the risk and be very sensitive to possible changing of the situation, depending on how market will start to behave in this current environment on the markets, on the geopolitical tensions. So that could be really risky, but that's the retracement that we'll be watching for. So that's all, guys, that I would like to say about the gold market. The gold market gradually take the pace and gradually becomes more and more active. So probably I hope that we will get more chances for trading on the gold market soon.